खुदा करे कि मेरी अर्ज़े पाक पे उतरे, खुदा करे कि मेरी अर्ज़े पाक पे उतरे, वो फजले गुल जिसे अंदेशा दुआ ना हो। I would like to call Hania from class 7 for speech.
That day of 14th of August will tell the world in a way that both East and West would come to know that there stands a country named Pakistan, a lovely place with sacred lands and a home for a Musliman, a kind efforts, a poor dreams, and a struggle of a human flood, a new beginning beyond a stream full with Muslim blood. Honorable teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you will all be fine. Thank you for giving me a chance to speak in front of you. My name is Hania and I am going to be speaking to you about 14th August. 14th August is a common date like other dates of the English calendar for nations but for the Pakistani nation. This date is the most remarkable day in the history of Pakistan. Pakistan came into being on 14th August according to the English calendar, while according to the Islamic calendar. It was the 27th of the Ramadan when Allah blessed Muslims with the pious homeland. 27th Ramadan has religious importance as the revelation of Holy Quran on Holy Prophet finished in this month. The word Pakistan is made by combining two words, Pak and Stan. Pak means pious and Stan means homeland. Therefore, the meaning of Pakistan is the homeland of pious people. People gave sacrifices of their for independence because they could not follow Islam independently, because gave sacrifices of their lives for independence because they could not follow Islam independently and could not perform their religious duties properly in subcontinent. They were punished or disturbed when they performed their religious duties. It often Muslims, but as they were a weak nation, they could not do anything. Names of people like Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Allama Iqbal, and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan are always written in golden words in the history of Pakistan. Muhammad Ali Jinnah is also known as Qaid-e-Azam, is the real founder of Pakistan. Allama Iqbal, who excited Muslims to earn their own nationality and name in the world. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, who brought Muslim nation forward and made schools and colleges for Muslims so that they may come to know how to fulfill the latest demands of the advanced age. Pakistan came into being after the sacrifices of countless lives. Many mothers lost their sons, many wives lost their husbands, and many children lost their fathers. And then Pakistan came into being. People gave sacrifices of their lives so that next generation may not face any difficulty and may live a safe life. Pakistan was good for creating in an environment just as it was in the period of Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, when he took rounds of the streets in darkness for becoming sure that no one is hungry. Pakistan was good for creating such an environment where ladies will come outside by covering their bodies, as it is ordered in creating the Holy Quran. Pakistan was good for creating such an environment where males like Hazrat Hussain radiallahu ta'ala anhu may bear who will must offer prayers and read on Holy Quran whether their necks may separate from their bodies. We must celebrate 14th August as it is our Independence Day. We should celebrate 14th August by thanking to Allah by going to mosques instead of celebrating this day in music parties. We should celebrate this day by brightening our hearts with the light of the teachings of Islam. It is not an important affect homeland by doing something which may bring Pakistan on the road of success without waiting for anyone who may join us.